Imagine being able to transform your ideas into stunning digital artwork with just a few words. That's the power of ImagineArt, an advanced AI-powered creative suite designed for artists, creators, and entrepreneurs. With its intuitive interface, you can easily generate images from text prompts, explore a wide range of artistic styles like realistic, anime, or cinematic, and refine your creations using powerful editing tools. ImagineArt also offers upscaling features, allowing you to produce high-resolution art perfect for prints or online use. Creators worldwide are using ImagineArt to design eye-catching thumbnails, vibrant social media posts, and unique products, all while discovering new ways to earn passive income. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or just starting out, ImagineArt opens up endless possibilities for creative expression and business growth. Let's walk through creating your very first AI artwork using ImagineArt. Start by signing up for a free account on the ImagineArt platform. This gives you access to all its creative tools. Once you're in, enter a descriptive text prompt that captures the image you want to generate. Next, choose your preferred artistic style, such as realistic, anime, 3D, cinematic, or digital art, to set the visual tone. Select the aspect ratio that best fits your project, whether it's square, portrait, or landscape. With everything set, simply click Create and watch ImagineArt bring your idea to life. The level of detail in your prompt plays a crucial role. More specific prompts lead to richer and more accurate results. To illustrate this, we'll generate several images using different prompts, showing how small changes can dramatically influence the final artwork. Crafting effective prompts is the key to unlocking the full creative potential of AI art generation. Start by defining the subject, what you want the image to focus on. Next, specify the style, such as realistic, anime, or cinematic, to guide the artistic direction. Lighting sets the atmosphere, whether it's soft morning light or dramatic neon glows. Including the camera lens or perspective, like wide angle or close-up, adds depth and context. Mood describes the emotional tone, and adding details, such as colors or textures, brings your vision to life. For example, a simple prompt like "a city at night" produces a generic image, while an advanced prompt, "a cyberpunk city at night," neon blue glow, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed 8K, results in a far richer and more striking output. Even small refinements in your prompt can dramatically enhance the final artwork, allowing ImagineArt to generate images that closely match your creative intent. ImagineArt offers a suite of advanced features designed to elevate your AI art creation experience. With the Variations tool, you can instantly generate multiple interpretations of your original image, exploring different styles and compositions. The Refine option allows you to make precise adjustments, enhancing specific elements for a more polished result. Face Enhancement brings portraits to life by improving facial details and realism. Upscaling to 4K ensures your artwork is crisp and high resolution, perfect for prints or digital displays. You can also transform existing images by applying new artistic styles or elements, giving old creations a fresh look. Removing backgrounds makes it easy to isolate subjects for cleaner, more professional compositions. These features provide creators with remarkable flexibility, empowering you to experiment and achieve your unique artistic vision. ImagineArt opens up a wide range of opportunities for creators to monetize their AI-generated art. You can design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that help videos stand out and attract more viewers. Many artists use ImagineArt to produce unique prints and posters, which can be sold both online and offline. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for offering digital art packs and custom designs to a global audience. Social media packs and themed graphics are in high demand for marketing, while book covers crafted with AI art appeal to self-published authors looking for striking visuals. Additionally, custom art gigs on sites like Fiverr allow you to provide personalized creations for clients. Beyond selling finished artwork, you can also market your unique prompts on marketplaces, earn commissions through affiliate marketing, or accept custom commissions for tailored projects. These strategies empower creators to turn their digital art skills into real income streams. Throughout this tutorial, we've explored the essentials of AI art creation with ImagineArt, starting with the importance of mastering prompts to achieve truly unique and stunning results. We delved into advanced features like image variations, face enhancement, and upscaling, which give creators unparalleled control over their digital art. You also learned how ImagineArt empowers users to monetize their creativity, whether by designing thumbnails, selling prints, or offering custom art commissions online. By combining prompt mastery with powerful AI tools, anyone can unlock new possibilities in digital art and build real income streams. If you're ready to transform your ideas into captivating artwork and join the next wave of AI artists, now is the perfect time to try ImagineArt and start your creative journey. Try ImagineArt. Link in description.